Hello everyone, a very good evening to one and all. My name is Anshuman Panda, section X2005, class BP8 first year, roll number 64, PED. The course code of gymnastic is PED 413. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the meaning of gymnastics and its types, and as well as I will tell you about the Federation of Gymnastic in national as well as international level. So first, let us know what is the meaning of gymnastics. Gymnastic, the meaning of the word gymnastic is to exercise naked. It was started in the year 1881. After that, it gained its popularity in different Western countries such as Denmark, Sweden, and Germany. The International Federations of Gymnastics, was established in the year 23rd of July 1881. Its headquarters is located in Lausanne, Switzerland. In Olympics, gymnastics was started in the year 1894 during the 1896 in Athens Olympics in the first modern Olympic Games, and it is only allowed for men. Men के लिए ही जिम्नास्टिक्स शुरू हुआ था 1896 में in Athens Olympics में. After that, in 1928, it was started for human. It was started for women in Amsterdam Olympics. If I talk about India, in India, the governing body of gymnastics, the federation that promote gymnastics in all over the country at grassroots level and as well as in the national level is Gymnastic Federations of India. It was established in the year 1951. Indian contingent, they participated in Olympics in gymnastics in the year 1952 in Helsinki Olympics. Gymnastic is also known as the mother of all the sporting events. सभी sports का mother gymnastic को कहते हैं और as well as athletics को भी कहते हैं. The father of gymnastic is John Basedow. The grandfather of gymnastic is Frederick Ludwig Jahn. And the person who first promoted gymnastic in school is Gutsmuth. Gutsmuth is a German person. He born and brought up in German. He's promote gymnastics in school. So this was all about the federation as well as some histories of gymnastics. Now let us begin towards the types of gymnastics. So there are six types of gymnastics: artistic gymnastic, rhythmic gymnastics, acrobatics gymnastic, trampoline, power trampoline, and aerobic gymnastics. So first, let us discuss about the first category of gymnastic, that is artistic gymnastics. So in artistic gymnastics, the both gymnasts, men and women, they used to perform different gymnastic exercises using different apparatus. Men compete in 6 events and girls compete in 4 events. So the events that are competed by male gymnasts are parallel bar, horizontal bar, floor exercises, vaulting horse, pommel horse, and rings. In these six events, the men participant usually compete in artistic gymnastic, whereas for girls and women, only 4 events are included in artistic gymnastics. So the events are uneven bar, balancing beam, vaulting horse, and as well as uneven bar, vaulting horse, balancing beam, and floor exercises. Now, this is the brief description about the first category of gymnastic, that is artistic gymnastics. And now let's move towards the second category of gymnastic. The second category of gymnastic is rhythmic gymnastics. So in rhythmic gymnastic, it is only performed by girls and women, and it is also included in Olympics. And in rhythmic gymnastic, the women gymnast, they used to perform different gymnastic exercises which requires a lot of strength, agility, coordination, and balance by using apparatus such as ball, rings, and ribbon. रिबन बॉल और रिंग्स के साथ जो गर्ल्स जिम्नास्ट है वो लोग परफॉर्म करते हैं, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर परफॉर्मेंस दे गेट द स्कोर. नाउ लेट मूव ऑन टुवर्ड्स द थर्ड कैटेगरी ऑफ जिम्नास्टिक. Third part of gymnastic is acrobatic gymnastics. So in acrobatic gymnastics, it is competed in team, 2 or 4 members in a particular team. Only men team is also okay, only women team as well as mixed teams also they used to participate. And in acrobatic gymnastic, no apparatus is being used by the gymnast. जैसे हम rhythmic और artistic में देखें, but in acrobatics only floor होगा, और floor में they used to perform different balancing as well as coordinative exercises. So this is all about the third category of gymnastic, that is acrobatic gymnastics. Now let's move towards the trampoline. So trampoline, the event trampoline, this type of gymnastic is included in 2000, in the year 2000 in Olympics, at Sydney Olympics. And in this, the gymnast used to perform various exercise in trampoline. Trampoline एक इक्विपमेंट होता है, तो उसमें ट्रेम्पोलिन में बहुत सारे एक्सरसाइज जिमनास्ट परफॉर्म करते हैं ट्रेम्पोलिन में. Now let moves towards the fifth one, that is power trampoline. ये ओलंपिक्स में इंक्लूडेड नहीं है. This is not included in Olympics. Only it is included in junior Olympics. Junior Olympics में it is included. And ये एक इसमें भी लाइक जैसे हम प्रीवियस कैटेगरी ऑफ जिम्नास्टिक जो था हमारा, उसमें देखे थे कि बिना एपरेटस के वो लोग परफॉर्म करते हैं, एंड ट्रैम्पोलिन में परफॉर्म करते हैं. ये पावर ट्रैम्पोलिन में they used to do 8 to 12 series of different exercises which requires very high tactical skill and technical skill. And it's not like floor. बहुत बाउंसिंग एक्सरसाइज करते हैं ट्रेम्पोलिन में. लास्ट कैटेगरी ऑफ जिम्नास्टिक इज एरोबिक जिम्नास्टिक्स, जिसमें एक जिम्नास्ट यूज टू परफॉर्म डिफरेंट एक्सरसाइजेस इन म्यूजिक के साथ with rhythm, with aerobics, in the form of aerobics, because it is derived from traditional aerobics. Traditional aerobics से ये derive किया गया है, and so it is performed. It is very interesting also. So I hope you got some idea about gymnastics, its federations, its establishment, as well as the types of gymnastics in details. So I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.